I feel like I have to maintain this hairstyle. If the wind blows, like it's just automatically doesn't look like what I need it to.
Let's give you more freedom.
I have a receding hairline, like you can see where the recession is starting to come in, and it's been affecting my life because I, as a performer and also someone who shows up online, my aesthetic, my appearance is something that I take very seriously. To be able to do something about something that I've been insecure about for years is really just making my confidence go up, and it's just making everything more exciting. So I've noticed ever since I would say like in 2020, so about 6 years ago, is probably where I started to notice the recession in my like temple region.
Yeah.
I feel like I have to maintain this hairstyle, like this longer hair, to like give the look that I want.
Yes.
Because but also if I go outside, if the wind blows, like it's just automatically doesn't look like what I need it to. So
yeah, you're sentenced to
one hair.
Yeah,
exactly. Yeah.
Okay. Let's give you more freedom.
I feel like this is like a pretty good starting point.
You don't have to really use your full potential of the back to achieve a good result.
The last time I went back as far as I could, the last time that I felt like I had a straight hairline was when I was like a teenager.
It will look way more natural than this. It just represents the general shape and the level of the line.
I just did my consultation, and if I was excited coming in here, I'm even more excited now. The head is shaved, there's no turning back now. I'm very excited, and stay tuned for 6 months from now when we start to see something coming in.